Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and we are bringing you another cocktail for St. Patrick's Day 2024. This one is simple, it's easy, and yet, in despite of everything St. Patrick's, it's elegant. So join me as we make today's cocktail. Right after you hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, leave us a like, let us know. We are now making the Irish champagne cocktail. It's really pretty simple, amazingly simple. We're going to start off and we're going to build this in the glass. And I'm going to put in there a sugar cube. It's going to make that a little bit sweeter, and we're going to put in there 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. And that all goes on the cube. And our next ingredient there is going to be Irish whiskey. We're actually going to use 1 ounce. Today I'm using Jameson's. This is one of my favorite Irish whiskeys. For those of you who are Bushmills fans or Tullamore Dew fans, I'll send me a bottle and I'll try it and I'll revisit the issue. 1 ounce of Jameson's. You're going to see that that is going to start to dissolve that ice cube. If you want to, you could even muddle that cube a little bit to break it down if you want it a little bit sweeter, a little faster. If you leave that sugar cube whole, the drink will get sweeter as it goes along. And next in there, we're going to put in our sparkling wine, and we're going to use about 3 ounces. And last but not least, our garnish. And we are going to use in there a simple lime twist. It's green. It's St. Patrick's Day. That goes in there, and there you go. Today's cocktail, the Irish champagne cocktail. We're tasting a touch of that bitters just to bring up the flavor a little bit. The nice smoothness of that Jameson and the dry of the champagne and the bubbles. How can you go wrong with bubbles? I think this is one you're going to enjoy. Cheers, everyone.